In the metals quadrant, taking a look at the September silver contract, which finished the day down right around 1%, about 95 basis points, right at that $23 mark, 23.01 or so was the settlement. On the downside today, we had a decent move down to 22.83 and a half. That was down 1.7% at the lows. On the upside, not much, just short of a third of 1% higher at 23.30. But we did hold that $23 mark on the close. It was substantial weakness, really. Silver down today, down 3.25% on the week, and this is the third consecutive week lower for silver, sixth in the last 7 weeks, as well as the third week since the month of June that silver has been down more than 3%. The futures price of this precious metal, industrial metal hybrid, was down every day this week except for Monday. So pretty poor for performance when you take a 30,000 foot view for silver this week. Now, industrial weakness is really the background of all of this. China worries in terms of their regulatory crackdown, the slowdown of their data, the slowing of commodity purchases in general, as well as the infrastructure plan for the US not quite going through, hurting the industrial side of silver in terms of demand. Now, that could snap back with either one of those two situations settling. But for now, it really was hurting all industrial metals. The only metal of note that was up today was gold, not an industrial metal, obviously. And it wasn't up that much. Nickel was down, aluminum was down. Nickel had a horrible week. Copper was down as well. Copper had a horrible week. Silver did better than a lot of those, except maybe aluminum. So overall, that industrial component of silver kind of kept the pressure on that particular metal. And then the dollar strength with the inverse relationship between metals and the dollar, best week for the dollar since mid-June, also a headwind for silver this week.